In today's video, I'm going to teach you in depth about negative exponents. So we're going to go through two problems. Let's do the first one. Evaluate the negative exponent, 5 to the negative 2. You're probably wondering, well, what does that mean? Well, a negative exponent can be written as a positive exponent under a numerator of 1. So what does that mean? So example, we have a variable s to the negative n, okay? These numbers can be any number, just like how we have here. What that means is, what the words here mean as an arithmetic equation, it just means s to the negative n is the same as 1 over s to the n, okay? So it becomes positive here when it goes into the denominator. So when we rewrite this, we rewrite it as 1 over 5 squared, 5 to the power of 2, which equals 1 over 25. Now let's go to this other problem here. Write the expression as a whole number with a negative exponent. So we have 1 over 79 to the fourth to the power of 4. So a positive exponent under a numerator of 1 can be written as a negative exponent. So if we have something like this, which is what we have, 1 over s to the n, it could be rewritten as s to the negative n. So that means we could rewrite this as 79 to the power of negative 4. And that's all there is to negative exponents. That's all it means. And don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could rewatch the video as well. Take a look at the description. There's a link there to my ebook. You could download it, and there's a link in there that'll take you right to this video. You could follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, in the description, you'll find links to other videos of mine that are similar to this. If you need extra help, you could check those out. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.